Well, this morning on Kohr Explorers, we're seeking some inspiration when it comes to our living spaces. The 2021 Northwest Natural Parade of Homes is underway now in Clark County, and Kohr Harlan joins us live in Vancouver to check out what luxury home trends we're seeing this year. Oh, check out that fireplace, Kohr.
Man, this is one of the perks of the job out here at the Parade of Homes here in Felida and Salmon Creek area in Clark County. Of course, one of the things that a lot of the builders emphasize is this outdoor living situation here with the grill. This is a kind of a gas-fired, what do they call a fire table right out here. It's warm. There's overhead heaters out here as well, so keep things for the Northwest nice and warm even in the coldest months of winter. And of course, you're looking out over your backyard here. Got a little hummingbird flying through some of the water features out there. You got some landscape backyard as well. It's just beautifully put together. And again, a lot of these homes, they build feature into them, and there are 8 homes on the tour this year here in the Northwest Natural Clark County Parade of Homes. 8 homes on the tour, each of them featuring something a little bit different. But what is common to a lot of these places is the great room that you walk into. This is the big room, usually with a kitchen in it and a living space here that's wide open, as is this one here. This is, you know, if you think about it, in your home, this is where people gravitate to. This is where people come. This is Ron Wagner from Cascade West Homes. How you doing? Back from COVID. Good to see you. Your pant sizes are a little bit smaller. They're a little bit bigger. They look a little bit bigger anyway. It's good to have you back in here. Let's talk just a little bit. I mean, I'm trying to talk with your contractors about some of the design features you put in here. And there has been some COVID influence built into this house. I want you to tell me about that, first of all.
Well, what we've seen is, you know, during COVID is a lot of things have changed. You know, gyms were closed, restaurants were closed, the ability to go out and do different things outside of the home definitely changed everybody's perception of what we need in a home.
Right.
So this home features a gym inside the garage, and we have an extra large pantry to be able to facilitate much more storage of food products.
Let's come over and look at some of this stuff too.
Professional series
professional
cooking
grade
applies.
kitchen up here. Now this is not something you typically see in a home, but you figure more people are going to be spending more time at home. Let's get them a nice big Wolf gas thing there with a couple different stoves there. You even got a griddle built in there, so you can griddle some stuff as well.
You know,
this is really cool too.
Steam oven.
A steam oven. Now this is for people like my wife who do leftovers all the time.
Yep,
The steam
puts
oven
moisture back in the food, makes it taste excellent.
Yeah, that's cool. And then there's a typical microwave down here that people are used to seeing.
Full-size fridge
This
freezer.
refrigerator, my God, this is a big refrigerator.
Yeah.
Right? So there's extra room in here. You know, the COVID influence here gives you more space inside the refrigerator to store more groceries. Carl, let's go show them the pantry too, because Ron is not screwing around when he says the pantry is big here.
Yeah.
This pantry is darn near as big as my bedroom is.
And we have room for a full-size fridge freezer in here as well.
Full fridge freezer in here as well, and as you can see, lots of storage space around the pantry in here. And these are simple things that people desire when they, little things like that.
Less
right?
trips to the grocery store. And
I just want to emphasize too, as we take you out here, Emily, is that a lot of the builders, including Ron here, they have gone through and they have made lists of things, okay? Flooring, here's where the flooring is, here's where the granite and quartz countertop is, here's where the outdoor living, the custom fire table was made. Because I know a lot of people come out to the home shows out here and they just want to get ideas. They want to get inspired for designs in their own home, things that they might want to add in their own homes. Well, it's all usually on one piece of paper here. You can find out where everything comes from, what it is, who built it, and how you can get a hold of it if you're thinking about some of this for your design of your own home. The show goes through the 26th of September, as I mentioned, Emily. 8 homes on the tour up here in the Salmon Creek, Felida area. Ron's home is one of them here. Most all of them, I think, are pre-sold already, so they're not for sale. But you can come out here and get some great ideas for some home design of your own.
Yes, all the inspiration, that is for sure. They are beautiful. Thanks, Kohr. Well,